That's it. Commercial break's over. Let's get back to the cooking here, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, remember we talked about, we had some, Alan, check them out.
Ooh, potato.
Those are the potatoes with the gooder starch seasoning that we had from another video. We're going to bring all this together. We're going to plate this up. But look at this, Alan. So the chicken's been simmering in with the mushrooms and the sugar snap peas. But look at that. It's developed its own little sauce right down in there with that little bit of sweet white wine. What was our internal temperature, Alan, on our chicken when we took it just a few minutes ago?
Wasn't it 185?
185, so it's a little bit warmer than it needs to be, but that's okay. So what am I going to do? I got my potatoes. A little piece of chicken. And some of those beautiful, beautiful vegetables right on top of there. And then you have to have just a little skosh of the sauce trickling down the chicken breast. But there we go, Alan. So what was that seasoning blend again we used?
It was the poultry.
Goody poultry, right? With some sugar snap peas, some gooder starch roasted vegetables, with some sugar snap peas and mushrooms with a little bit of a quick, simple wine sauce. Ladies and gentlemen, how are we doing on time on that first one? What was it, about 8 minutes or so?
Yeah, I think so.
8, 9 minutes. Here you are, ladies and gentlemen, fully prepared dinner. All ready to go, brought to you from the Gooder Cooking Show and Mari-Mann Herbs. Always remember, folks, please, we get to have these fun little videos because of our veterans. Please always thank a veteran. Cooking Gooder will bring the love out in your food, and please stand with and respect the blue line. Talk to you very soon now. Thanks, guys. Bye now.